Hello, welcome to Stuff My Box with
Rex and
Nom Nom Boris. Very excited to be here. Today we're trying a special box.
special.
Yeah, seasonal roots. And they actually sent it to us to try it. Yay!
Yeah, free box.
Yeah, it's nice. Thank you for sending it to us. But first, what are we drinking?
Okay, so I am just drinking a very regular Pinot Grigio. You can see there's some grapes in here because this wasn't cold enough. So I just put some frozen grapes inside of it, just make it cold. And how about you, Boris?
Well, I'm just drinking some coffee in my fabulous unicorn mug and some horchata for the creamer because we always want some creaming in there.
So it's spiked coffee.
Yeah.
All right.
We forgot to cheer.
Oh, clink. It's not
Some
cold
good
enough.
coffee.
Mine is not cold enough, but it will get there.
Sorry.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's open the box.
Yeah.
What's in it?
Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's called Seasonal Roots.
Nice thing is, so Seasonal Roots is a subscription service for fresh produce that are sent to you on regular basis from local farmers. So this
Nice.
company is actually based in Virginia, so around Washington D.C. where we are based, and they're now expanding to Maryland, which is exciting.
It's
So
good news for us.
yeah.
Yeah.
So now let's see what's in it.
This is just like an ad about the quick introduction of their box, and they give us a promo code which we can get $25 off for the next
Oh,
order.
that's
yeah.
nice.
Well, they use Comic Sans for this. Just saying.
No, we don't judge.
Yeah.
And then the next, they actually have kind of like different recipes and talking more about the box. So this is really good. So we kind of would know what to cook from it.
Yeah.
I would assume these are all the ingredients that are in this box, but I
I
guess we'll
assume
see.
so. Yeah. All right. So the first thing I see is a nice big
Thick.
leeks. Actually, a bunch of leeks. Yeah. So for people who
But not the licky kind.
not a leaky kind of leaks, but we're just gonna take a leak
No.
after all this drinking. So for people who maybe first time meeting me, I am from China and we do cook with a lot of leeks. In Chinese, we actually call them big scallions compared to
Yeah.
green onions. So
I like my big scallion.
yeah, I like. So this looks really fresh, actually. We've been to farmers market. Okay, I'll put it in the front a little bit. We've been to farmers market in Silver Spring, and I have got leeks from them. They're really skinny and look malnutrition almost.
Yeah, these ones are thick.
But these are thick, and you can tell by their, by their roots.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice and thick and moist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It definitely looks more than 9 inches.
Well, it's not a burrito, so all right. So this is this. Okay.
So the next.
Okay, there's a bunch of greens in here. We got parsley.
Ooh,
Yeah.
parsley.
Is it parsley? Sorry. No, it's not. Sorry.
What is it? Basil?
No, it's not basil. Some kind of green that I see all the time.
It looks nice and fresh. It doesn't smell. It has like this leafy stuff.
Okay, then we got some radishes.
Ooh,
Oh,
radish.
these are really, really good radish. Oops.
It just
The leaf just fell. Okay, yeah. So I personally like into pickles, and if you slice them and you just do a quick pickle with just salt, it tastes really nice overnight. And I've done it with my what's it called? My tacos. I've done it, and it's really tasty, especially if it's a fresh radish. So we're gonna test that.
So next we have
Strawberries.
strawberries. Oh, nice. They look really nice.
Yeah.
Organic strawberries. So this is good. So that's nice box of strawberries. Very similar to what you're very likely to get at like your local grocery, Whole Foods. So
Yeah.
nice.
We like strawberries.
Yeah, they look really good too. So
Okay, next we have a bag of lettuce mix. Red Hog Farm locally grown lettuce mix. Alright, so a nice bag of lettuce, which we can use just for salad.
yeah,
Yeah, and they're chopped up already. So.
which is nice.
Mm-hmm.
And I like that the bag is resealable. So you
Yeah.
can keep reusing that.
Yeah.
So next, it's big, it's thick. What is this?
Yam. Is it?
Yummy.
Sorry, we're like produce. We're blind to produce. We
Yeah.
only know the produce that we know. So.
You know, as a food blogger, you would think I know it, but can we claim English second language?
We could.
That's our
Yeah.
excuse. So this is a yam.
It doesn't look like a yam. But
You tell us.
you tell us what it is. I mean, once if
It's-
we chop it open, we'll know what it is. But just based on the look of it, I really don't know.
You can
'cause
always
I-
chop it up and down.
Yeah, we'll try it later. Yeah.
Guess we not though.
Yeah.
I
Okay, what's
see
next?
some.
Carrots.
Ooh, look at that carrot.
Okay, and they come in all sizes. Yeah, there's there are a few
there's
more.
two-
Yeah.
Oh no, there's more.
Okay. Okay, let me try to find. Oh my god. Okay, so
There's
a
one
lot of
more.
carrots. Yeah.
Carrots. They look nice.
They look really nice. And also because
there
it's,
it is.
we just took them out from the fridge, they feel nice and cold and moist. And
Don't cross the carrots.
don't cross the carrots. And what we have next? Okay, I think this is cilantro.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice for salads and.
Oh, I don't think it's cilantro. Sorry.
Do
Okay.
you know what we're doing?
I don't know. Yeah, we'll cut this
Looks
part
good.
out. Yeah.
So now we have.
Oh god.
It's everywhere. Oh, it's a little wet.
Yeah.
What is this?
Lettuce.
Oh, is it lettuce?
Cat. It looks very familiar. Yeah.
Is it collard greens?
No, it's not.
Yeah, this
would
looks
be
familiar.
Much leafier.
But-
I forgot the name of it, but you definitely have seen it before, and I definitely have cooked with this before.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think these are yams or taros actually. Taro roots.
No, beetroot.
They are?
I think that's a
Are they?
beetroot because they're red.
Oh, yes, they are. Okay, I just like pinch it open and see if it's red inside. And yes,
You
my
poked it hard.
nails are red now, and I broke it, and then I was bleeding. So yeah, we have two little beetroots here. They're covered kind of in dirt, so you cannot really see the red color.
Yeah. Well, you gotta always wash it. Even if you get produce out of a market, you really should wash them.
Yeah.
So.
And what's next?
I think
yeah.
this is yams.
And they come in all different sizes.
Ooh,
Wait,
yeah.
this looks like a horseradish. So,
Maybe that is a horse. Wait, are these all horseradishes or is this too big?
I don't know. Yeah.
We
that's-
don't know.
Well, you tell us what it is.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Huh.
So that's it actually, unless you want to count all the leafy stuff like left
Yeah.
inside here.
Wow, so this was great opening this box, but now how much does it cost?
So I just checked online. They have $50 for the first year of membership. For a year, and then $35 each year after, and you can choose between 3 different kinds of boxes. One is called Veggie Lover Basket, which is 11 choices, or Family Basket, $34, which is 8 choices, and Easy Basket, $22.50, which is 5 choices.
We got like a $39, so it's a $39 per 11 choices box.
Yes.
In addition to a $50 yearly membership fee.
Mhm.
So it's not like a regular box, this is a membership. So in a
Mhm.
way you kind of subscribe in. But they also have a 30-day money back guarantee if you're not a fan of it. And of course, we are happy we got this box for free, so it's a nice
Yeah.
try for us. But we're very likely to sign up for it ourselves because it's a really good way to get kind of like a variety of produce.
Yeah, and also it's a good way to support local farmers and also help you to do grocery shopping for you. Some
Yeah.
sort of it. Given like we both live in the city, we don't really have that much time to ourselves to do grocery shopping, and this just forces us to eat healthier, and force me to cook more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, well, let's have another drink.
Yeah.
Not to forget our fun drink.
Working.
So this was a great box. We just really enjoyed trying, and you may see it again as we always try boxes more than once. And so Rex, where can they find you?
So my handles is YouWillRex in all social media handles, and which will be showing here on the screen. And where can I find you, Boris?
At nomnomboris.com or any other social media as nomnomboris. Where I post my silly foodie adventures, subscription boxes, and other fun things.
All right.
Yeah, well, thank you very much, and have a great day.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
So now, I think now what we can do is just we can keep the produce like this.
Yeah.
Maybe I can just pull it from a video, we can try.
Well, can you test it first and see how that works out?
What do you mean?
Like you see, like should I pose like this, or
That's
should I
awesome.
do it closer?
No, closer is probably better because then we can.
Okay.
Oh, one more.
1, 2, 3. Like we have to like stop for pause for like.
Uh huh. Alright, one more.
I'll do this maybe.
You're getting taller.
Okay.
Go lower. Pull it over the box is fine.
Okay.
What else?
I don't know. I'll be like, oh. Will this be? Dude, are you gonna like
I don't know, maybe.
put a like cover on?
What? It's just vegetables.
Okay, yeah.